Welcome back to Making Money with Max Online. I'm Max. This is value series number 4. And one question I have for you is, why haven't you clicked the buttons below? You have an opportunity just sitting right now on your desktop to succeed. What is success? Have you ever thought about that? Well, I have a little quote right here. It says, success is a progressive realization of a worthy idea. What is your ideal success? Traveling? Working from home? Spending more time with your family? I know you have goals, and I know what you want to do. You want to be able to be free, experience freedom once and for all. Yes, if you want to experience freedom, we have the program that you can succeed with A through Z, 1, 2, 3, and your success pattern can be assured. Just follow the programs that you can do. I know you can. Click on the button below, and let us see you on the other side.